Stop what you are doing and listen. This is not a coincidence. You are hearing my voice right now because the person you are thinking about is currently experiencing a massive energetic shift towards you. As you listen to this, their ego is crumbling and the silence that has stood between you is being replaced by an undeniable urge to reach out. In the next few minutes, I am going to guide you through the manifestation frequency so powerful that it bypasses their logic and speaks directly to their soul. By the end of this meditation, you won't just hope for a message, you will expect it. The more you listen to this, the easier and more powerful it will become. If you are ready to let the old broken version of this relationship die so that a permanent healed connection can begin right now, stay with me. The shift starts at this exact moment. Now close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release the anxiety of how and when. Imagine a soft violet light surrounding you. This is the light of transformation. Feel your body becoming heavy and relaxed. You are no longer in the world of lack. You are entering the realm of the already done. Feel the tension leaving your jaw, your shoulders, and your chest. You are safe. You are powerful. You are their only priority. Now I want you to visualize their face, not as they were during the silence, but as they are when they realize they cannot go another hour without you. Visualize a violet bridge of light connecting your heart directly to theirs. Feel the exact emotion of your phone vibrating in your hand. Hear the sound of that specific text notification. See their name on your screen. As you feel this, they are feeling a sudden magnetic pull. They are remembering your scent, your laugh, and the peace they feel with you. Any anger or fear they had is melting away. They are picking up their phone right now because they feel incomplete without you. Feel the relief wash over you. It is done. Now repeat these affirmations in your mind or whisper them out loud to anchor them into your reality. They are texting me right now to fix everything. They are texting me right now to fix everything. The communication block between us is permanently cleared. The communication block between us is permanently cleared. I am the only person they want to talk to. I am the only person they want to talk to. Every word they send me is filled with love and clarity. Every word they send me is filled with love and clarity. Our relationship is now better, stronger, and more stable than ever before. Our relationship is now better, stronger, and more stable than ever before. They are choosing me today and every day from now on. They are choosing me today and every day from now on. My phone is magnetic for the news I have been waiting for. My phone is magnetic for the news I have been waiting for. The energy is set. The universe has heard your command. Take one last deep breath. And when you open your eyes, do not look for the text with desperation. Look for it with the calm knowing that it is already sent. It is traveling through the universe to you at this very moment. To fully claim this energy and lock this vibration into your physical reality, I want you to go to the comments right now and type, "I claim this communication now." By writing this, you are announcing to the universe that you are ready to receive. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you want to collapse time even further and make them completely devoted to you, visit my website at joybyjanell.com. I have a free obsession spell waiting for you that will amplify this frequency and bring them back to you faster than you ever thought possible. I also have other tools there specifically designed to bring your person back into your arms permanently. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.